Hello kids, this is teacher Sherlyn and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, our lesson is all about identifying and describing the physical properties of matter. In physical property, the characteristics of matter can be readily observed without changing its composition. It can be identified by using the five senses or some measuring tools. These characteristics are as follows. First is the hardness. Hardness is the ability of an object to be rigid and resist pressure that may cause deformation or change in shape. Metals and wood are hard materials which can be used to build buildings and scaffoldings. Second is the brittleness. Brittleness is the ability of an object to crumble or break easily. Glasses and porcelain are brittle. They break easily but can still be used as wall decor or spikes on walls for home protection from trespassers. And the third one is the flexibility. Flexibility is the ability of an object to be bent without breaking. Flexible objects like metal wires and plastic strings are useful to tie things around or bind two objects together. Another characteristic is elasticity. Elasticity is the ability to be stretched and returned to original shape after. A rubber band is elastic, which is useful to bind objects together. Another characteristic is conductivity. Conductivity is the ability of an object to allow heat and electricity to pass through. Metal scraps and kitchenwares are good conductors. Next is malleability. Malleability is the ability of an object to be hammered into flat sheets. Gold can be made into jewelries. Silver, iron, and aluminum are also malleable materials which can be hammered into desired shape. Another is ductility. Ductility is the ability to be drawn into thin wires. Examples are electrical wirings. And for the last one is porosity. Porosity is the ability of an object to absorb liquid. Paper and cloth are absorbent. They have plenty of spaces inside where liquid can be absorbed. And now let us proceed to the activity. It says here, write true if the statement is correct and false if it is wrong. Let me read the sentences. Number 1. Hard materials like metal and woods can be used to build scaffoldings. Number 2. All hard materials do not break. Number 3. Glasses and porcelain are brittle materials. Number 4. Gold is malleable, that is why it can be made into jewelries. Number 5. Metals are not conductors of heat and electricity. Number 6. Flexible objects like thin wires used to tie or bind things together. 7. Electrical wires are made up of plastics. Number 8. Paper and cloth absorb liquid well. Number 9. A rubber is flexible and elastic at the same time. And number 10. Iron and metals are very hard, that is why they do not rust. I will give you 5 minutes to answer this activity. So these are the answers in the previous slide. Did you get the same answers like mine? Very good. Take note, whenever a material undergoes changes, one or more pieces of evidence or characteristics are observed. The pieces of evidence are can be hammered into thin sheet, plenty of space to hold liquid, change in shape, change in color, elastic, prone to breakage, formation of gas, formation of new product, hard, and can be bent without breaking. Another activity is this. Copy and answer this table in your notebook. Check the physical property of each object. You may check more than one property if needed. I will give you 5 minutes to do this activity. So these are the answers in the previous slide. Are your answers the same with mine? Very good. Thank you for listening, kids. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Goodbye!